guys, so today is going to be about my ideas of what would be good beginner crystals to buy. So things you should buy as a beginner if you want crystals just to start your collection and get you started on crystal magic. Just about 5 of them, I think. So I'm just going to jump right in. It's going to be, I think it's going to be a fairly short video, so here we go. First one is going to be quartz. Now quartz, just the clear quartz, is a good all-around stone. It has high spiritual energy, and it doesn't correspond with just one thing. So what you can do is you can take it and you can sort of hold it and you can program it with your energies to function as any number of other stones. So say for instance you wanted to do a love spell and you didn't have a love stone, you could program quartz to do that. Now obviously, in my opinion, it's better to have the stone that would go with that, but if you don't and quartz is all you have to begin with, then it's as good as anything. The next one is going to be rose quartz. Now quartz comes in any number of variations, but rose quartz specifically because it covers sort of the love and positivity portions. If you want to bring a little bit of love in your life, even if it isn't from another person, but even just for yourself, self-love, love of another person, attracting love from another person, learning to love yourself, helping others learn to love. Anything related to love, rose quartz pretty much has it covered. Obviously, there are other stones that are more specific and might give you a bit more of a boost, but just as a beginner thing, rose quartz is pretty darn good. Next, I'm going to say is amethyst. Amethyst is a protective, it's stress blocking. Stop that, child. It's very calming and helps you sleep. It's cleansing and it balances emotions. A good way to use amethyst is in a sleep sachet, in your pocket if you're having anxiety issues or stress issues. Also, good thing to use in a grid around your home for protection. Although there are other stones that are somewhat better than this, it's a general thing for a beginner to get started with on those topics. And sort of similar but less calming and more energizing is the citrine. Citrine is a really good energizer. It has more sun energy and more vibrant and sort of I don't want to say hyper because it's not overdone usually, but it's just more energetic rather than calm. But it is also a cleanser. It's a money stone. It's for grounding and sort of a happy, sunny energy to it. And then, of course, my last one is going to be hematite. Grounding and protecting, as well as dissolving negativity. You can wear it for protection, if you're going to be around negative people, you can wear a necklace of it, and it's really great. But something like that would be really good. Now, those are my top 5 beginner stones. You should not, by any means, stay with just those 5. There are so many other stones you can choose from and learn to use, and it might be better for certain things. You know, citrine is not the best money stone, but this is just a general. These are just stones that cover a lot of ground without being too specific, so that you can use them for multiple things and therefore get the most money out of it, most bang for your buck. And I think that's really important to beginners because we don't really know where we're at. You know, we want to explore, but we don't want to buy too much or spend too much money, and we're learning how to balance the money portion of our purchases because everybody likes stuff. So that's that. And then stones can be expensive, so in my list I also was paying attention to things that might be a little bit cheaper to buy the stones for. You know, you can get some stones that are that big and then be $8, or you can get stones that are that big and then be $2, depending on the rarity and all of that. And so I just did some of the more common ones so that people who are beginning aren't spending a bunch of money and that don't think they need to spend a whole bunch of money. It's just stuff that's easy to get to. On this note, here is the Crystal Bible by Judy. It's 3 volumes. This is volume 1. And these are amazing for crystal magic and to get you started on that. It does by no means tell you every inch of information on any one stone, but it is a great resource, and you should definitely look at getting your hands on it. I got this for like $8 or $9 on Amazon, and it was quite worth it. Let me tell you, I used it quite a bit. In fact, I used it to get this video together. So that's just, I think that's pretty much all I have to say on that. Like I said, this is going to be a short video, so y'all aren't spending, I always talk for so long, so I tried to do a small video for this one. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and sign off. Make sure to like the video if you enjoyed it, and hit the subscribe button as well as the little dingling bell thing for notifications for when I upload, and I will see y'all next time.